Got a natural waterfall. You're in the quarry. Let's see what's happening. I notice it's pretty deep. It's gotta be. It's a rock quarry. So this has got to be exceedingly deep. Look at that shelf. Wow. This has got to be like 20, 30 feet deep straight here. You can see down in it. Wow. Look at that. Straight, clear water. Wouldn't want to get caught down in there with a nice shelf right here. Makes you wonder what's in here. There's got to be some fish in here. It's a pump. Wow. I couldn't imagine how deep it is. I'm guessing maybe close to 40 to 70 feet. You have another. Yeah, wow. And it is exceedingly deep. Look at that edge, y'all. And that shelf, if you can see it. Pardon me, the cold weather got me a little bit gasping. But we're alright. We're alright. We're alright, mate. We've seen so many deer. And we'll post that in a later video. But this is inside the quarry. Awesome. Right there.